I'm out here in London. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with us, just like a little road trip video. We came out here for one of his friends' birthday. So now I just woke up, showered. I'm gonna do a little light makeup and then we're gonna get the day started. So I figured why not take you guys along with me, with us, do a little vlog. It's about 2 hours from London back to Toronto. We're probably gonna grab breakfast or brunch at this point because it's almost noon. And then honestly, I don't know what we're getting up to throughout the day. We were supposed to go skiing, but then that fell through because it's raining. So I don't know. We're just gonna go back to Toronto, see where the day takes us, vlog for you guys, and yeah, a day in the life basically.
Super windy.
So it's super cold. We're going to Wimpy's for brunch, and it's my first time, I think, and Colin's first time. So the portions look huge, so we should see. Are you getting me?
No.
Guys, there's so much going on this menu. I don't know what to get. Like, everything is massive. So I'm pretty overwhelmed. Colin, I think, is getting the burger. I don't know what I want, but I have to make a decision. So guys, pickles have arrived. Very firm. I'm not sure what the dipping sauce is. So good.
Sweet.
So good. Oh my god, that's so good. So the food has arrived, guys. We got the pickles here. Colin got a double burger. I'm actually gonna have one of those burgers. I got a side of rice with an egg, some veggies over here, some lettuce, hot peppers, and Colin got a grilled cheese. So my meal will be the pickles, the rice, one of those patties, this, lettuce, and that. And yeah, grilled cheese. Are you excited, babe?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a photo of it. Somehow I missed everything.
Such a fail. At least it didn't fall on the mustard. But yeah, we're gonna dig in. So here is my concoction. Damage has been done. You did good, Colin. I'm impressed. You're full, eh? Oh yeah.
Stuffed like a turkey.
I can tell. Good luck driving after this.
I know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just had lunch at Wimpy's in London. So now Colin decided he wanted to take me on a little mini tour of downtown London, is it?
Yeah.
Downtown London. I don't know what they have to offer, but I'm excited. Lunch was really good. I actually packed the rest of my stuff to go, but then I figured I do not know what time we're getting home, so I ended up actually leaving the to-go box on the table. But lunch was really good. very inexpensive as well. It was $42 for everything. And we got 2 pops, so yeah, that was included. It was good. Do you want to add anything, babe? He's driving.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
But I don't know where he's taking me, but I will obviously vlog if there's anything interesting for you guys to see. So see you in a few.
So this is Richmond Street. This is the main street. Like, this area is kind of shitty. Like, anything south of Dundas is like kind of crappy, as you can see.
Seems like the college area, no?
No, the college area is further up.
Oh, is this a wheat shop? Little wheat shop over there.
Richmond and Dundas. Like, it's just like these skeeziest people hang out here all day.
Like college kids?
No, like crackheads and like just dirtballs. So no one ever really goes past that intersection if you're a student for partying. Like, all the stuff you're like, there's a Moxie's, Coaches.
So this is Jack's?
Yeah, it has like 3 levels of 3 bars in there. It's like just complete like golden showers, like cheap drinks.
That's where the action happens for the young folks.
Yeah, so that's like the most popular one that most of the students go to. And then there's some more down here. This used to be called Jim Bob's. It was so good, but now they turned it into like a brewery.
Jim Bob.
Yeah, that was another.
You know who Jim Bob is from 90 Day? The show that's 19 Kids and Counting. The dad's name is Jim Bob.
This is the Parking Frog. That's a pretty good.
Totally unrelated, but funny. Ooh, Hell Furniture.
Yeah.
Have you been?
No, that's new.
Ooh, I love Hell Furniture.
Oh, you'll be able to see why London is really done with this. So please tell me what other city has a railroad crossing in their main downtown.
Yeah.
Are they working on it or what? Yeah. Okay, they're working on it. This is a really good bar, Molly Bloom's. It's an Irish pub. And that's all the bars. There's some more that are tucked away in the background, but those are the main ones on this street. And this intersection, on my 19th birthday, I was going out to go drinking. It was like in the afternoon, and some sketchy dude tried to fight this guy at the bus stop and ended up stabbing him. And then the cops came and wanted witnesses, but I was like, yo, it's my 19th birthday. I am not waiting around here.
So you saw the whole thing?
Yeah, the guy stabbed him. And there was other people there for, you know, to be a witness or whatever, but I was like, it's my 19th birthday. I don't have time for this. I'm like, I didn't have a fake ID first year of college. I've been waiting way too long to be, you know, questioned by police for like a stabbing. I'm done. So I got out of there real quick.
Good times.
Yeah.
So you guys, it's freaking freezing outside right now. But Colin took me and a little tour all around London. I vlogged a little bit for you guys from the car because it's too cold to walk. Anyways, right now we are at Fanshawe College. This is where he went to college. He's just kind of showing me, like, you know, stuff he did back in the days. First apartment, cute stuff like that. Anyways, he's gonna give me a little tour of his old college, and this should be interesting. It's a Saturday, thank goodness there's no one here, at least no one we've seen. So I am going to turn this over to him, and yeah, he'll give us a little mini tour. You see someone?
This was my edit room. Still is pretty much the same. Which sucked though because you had no privacy. So if you're working on a project, anyone can like walk by and
see your stuff.
Annoying. So I used to always put like the ones down here. So there you go, like there's someone editing. More people editing.
Ooh, maybe I won't. Is it a good idea to vlog right now?
They're studying production, so yeah, probably. The studio was in here, but we can't go in there, but that was like the studio. We made that logo. They still kept it. It's such a shitty logo.
Yeah, it's pretty shitty.
So this
It would look better if, yeah, it probably wouldn't even work.
This is the TV station that we ran. So like those guys are running it now, and like that's all their content. I doubt our stuff's on there anymore, but we used to have our shows on there, and it's pretty funny.
That's funny.
This was control room. So they teach you like live production here. So like this is like a control room as you would find anywhere else in the media. So that's the end of it here. But yeah, look at this sign. Look how funny the sign is. All the buildings are lettered. So basically, Fantrell is like a big high school because universities you have to go in and out of buildings and cross roads and stuff. This is all connected. Like you don't have to go outside. Once you're in, the whole thing is in. So it's pretty good.
I like this college. It makes me want to come back to college. We have to do a Umber tour.
Yeah.
Sometime. That would be fun. I love being at freaking colleges. There's just something like you feel young again. Even though I'm still young, but you know.
You feel poor again.
Huh?
I feel poor again in the college.
I'm grounded. I
Yeah.
feel so grounded. Huh?
Sex toy bingo
What's that?
is bingo, but you win sex toys when you win the bingo. It
Oh.
was so funny. Our buddy won like massive anal beads, and we made fun of him so long for that.
So this is where the pub area is, eh?
You know what the greatest thing about this though is when you come here in the wintertime, because to line up to get to the club at night, you're indoors, so you're not in the cold. And you could go if you're under 19, they would just put like a big X on your hand and a bracelet.
Oh,
But we
really?
would just cut the bracelet and rub the X off.
This is cool. What's this? That's pretty cool, actually. Ooh. Okay, guys, so that brings us to the end of this little fun Shaw tour. This school is pretty cool, actually. Thanks to Mr. Coyne for showing us around. We're actually going to head back to Toronto now. I think it's about 2 hours to get back to Toronto. And yeah, I don't know what we'll get up to for the rest of the day. Obviously, I'm still going to vlog a little bit later. We might make a little bit of dinner or something. It's been about 2 hours, I think, since we left the restaurant. So now we're gonna drive 2 hours back to Toronto and then see what the night has to offer for us. But see you in a bit. So guys, we just got home. I am exhausted, but I know as soon as I take a shower, I will be revamped and ready to go. We're just putting away all our shit. I don't know what the hell Colin is doing. Someone is angry.
Slapping that ass.
You're annoying. But we are going to put away our stuff and relax.
No, what's all that?
Relax.
Doing laundry means doing laundry and putting it away.
I am vlogging. Hello, bye.
This is, hey, I did the laundry. Just toss the empties.
You're so annoying. Actually, I did the laundry, so you can put it away. How about that? It's a good look.
I look like a cactus.
Yeah. You look like a pansexual. Anywho, just a little update. It was very rainy out. I wanted to go to the grocery store to get chicken to make a little bit of chicken soup for dinner because after that huge lunch we had, I'm not trying to make anything too heavy, but whatever. I'm gonna search the freezer. I can't even talk, and throw whatever is in the freezer in a pot and call it a night. I don't know what Colin is gonna eat if he's hungry. Probably just cereal. We'll figure it out. Hey guys, so this brings us to the end of today's vlog. Right now I am just making some food for Colin. I'm doing some chicken wings, and for myself some bootleg chicken soup. Like I said, I didn't make it to the grocery store, so I'm basically just kind of throwing whatever I have in the pot. But yeah, I will add a few clips from the wings at the end of the video, but that's about it. We're just gonna have this when it's ready and then relax and go to bed. So anyways, if you guys made it this far in the video, then you're the real MVP. thank you thank you so much for watching this vlog, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future vlogs and videos and travel videos and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's that. Today was a productive day, and now I'm going to relax and enjoy my night. So take care, you guys. Until next time, love you, lovelies.